The Florida condo market is in chaos. Prices are dropping, sellers are panicking, headlines are screaming recession. But the truth, this is exactly how smart investors get rich. When the herd runs, the hunters strike. So I'll ask you, plainly ask you, are you waiting to feel safe or are you ready to buy low? If you want real, no bullshit insights for someone who's owned over $100 million in real estate, insured over $4 billion in commercial assets, and is deeply connected across Florida, you better hit subscribe right now. Like this video, drop a comment, share it with someone you trust, because I'm going to tell you the truth that no one else will tell you. The market reality. And here's the hard data. Condo sales in Florida are down 15% year over year. In Tampa, they're down 20%. Inventory is up 34%. Average time on the market, 91 days. In Miami-Dade, median condo prices have stalled at $425,000. In Broward, they've dropped to $275,000 from $282,000 last year. So we are in a buyer's market. No sugarcoating it, right? Because you're watching the news, they're all screaming. But here's what the media isn't telling you. This is how cycles in real estate work. It always gets quiet before the next run. In 2010, they said the market was dead. By 2013, prices had doubled. Did you hear me? Those who bought when it fell, like now, made millions. So I've been through almost every cycle since 2008, okay? And in 2008, I survived it, but it wiped out the pretenders. I watched 2010 mint new real estate moguls all over the country, especially Florida. Real estate runs in 4 predictable phases: recovery, growth, oversupply, correction. And right now, we are, you guessed it, in mid-correction. That's not the end. It's not. It's the setup. History says this is the window. And when you know the game, you don't play scared. You play smart. Ask yourself, are you buying at the top with everyone else? Or are you buying at the bottom when only the smart money is still active? And by the way, you can't pick the top or the bottom, but we definitely know this is way lower than last year and the year before, so that's the point. This is the correction. If you're here to build real wealth and not follow hype, hit that like button now and drop a comment. Are we in a dip or in a disaster? You tell me what you think, then I'll tell you what I think. So let's talk about demand. Florida's population just hit 23.3 million people. We're adding over 400,000 people a year. Jacksonville, that's right, just surpassed Miami as the largest city. People are coming here for jobs, weather, tax benefits, lifestyle, our governor. Demand isn't going anywhere. The only thing that's changed is the seller psychology. That means now, in this moment, you have negotiating power. You have choice and you have leverage. You don't wait to buy real estate. You buy real estate and wait. Say it again. You don't wait to buy real estate. You buy real estate and then wait. So here's your formula and 5 reasons that this is one of the best times in years to buy Florida condos. Number 1, prices have softened. Your entry point is better. Number 2, inventory is high. You can pick the best deals. Number 3, ready for this? Insurance costs are down. Yes, down. Don't listen to the news. 20 to 30% from their 2023 highs. Number 4, Regulation fear is stabilizing. HOAs are cleaning up. And number 5, most buyers, the public and everyone else, they're frozen in fear. You won't have as much competition. So this is how you buy right. And this is how you lock in future upside while everyone else waits for a green light that never comes or waits for the news to tell you to go out and buy. So first, let's kill the myth about insurance. Yes, premiums spiked in 2023, but in 2024 and 2025, they've come back down as much as 30%. Carriers are re-entering the market, underwriting is tightening, and we're helping clients reduce premiums in real time. Massive. But don't tell the buyers that, right? Because then they'll jump back in. And don't tell the seller that you're going to get lower insurance. So if you want your insurance cost fixed, optimized, and aligned with your investment goals, contact us today. We've insured over $4 billion in assets. This is what we do. You don't have to overpay. You just need the right partner that actually delivers the right price based on your risk tolerance and a market dropping. So you want lower premiums? You want the deal to pencil? Reach out now. We can fix your insurance strategy in 24 hours, and I personally guarantee it. So let's move forward. Warren Buffett, we all know who that is, right? He said, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Right now, fear is the mood of the market. That's why smart money is reloading. They're buying off market. They're negotiating hard. They're structuring deals and vision. Want to know $100 million in off-market deals? Watch my last video a couple weeks ago from Jamie Sturgis, a good friend of mine. He's got it. It's right there on my YouTube channel. Subscribe now. The amateurs are watching the news. You're watching real estate profit boosts. So the professionals also watch the numbers. They don't get caught up in the wrong groups or the right noise in their ears. So if you're buying condos, do your homework though. That's your edge. Couple tips. Check the HOA reserves. Understand the 2025 compliance rules that they've changed, which, yes, they're talking about it in the news, but it's just starting to take effect. It's your future safety net to lower those HOA fees. That's right. Lowered HOA fees, better buy today means higher price down the road. So also ask the condo companies for their engineering reports. Look for the buildings with clean financials. Here's the good news. Recent law changes have forced these HOAs to stabilize. There's more transparency than ever, but you still have to really look. And guess what? We can help you with that because we insure hundreds of HOAs and we've saved them hundreds of thousands of dollars in insurance that was way overpriced by my competitors thinking only about commission and greed. So if you want us to review your deal on the real estate side or help you underwrite the property for an income approach, DM me today or email us right now. All of us are not only insurance people, we're real estate people. And this is your time, and I'm offering for free, so use it. I've owned over $100 million in real estate. I insure over $4 billion worth, and I work with the top developers, brokers, investors in Florida. And I'll tell you this, wealth doesn't follow the hype. It follows strategy. You want the playbook? Here it is. Ready? Buy when the crowd is scared. Secure your financing prior. Check out a video. I've got many on how to do that. And control your insurance expenses in Florida. Underwrite for reality, not fantasy. Discount the rents. Discount the Airbnb occupancy. And then hold on for the next wave. Because whatever goes down eventually comes back up. You know, that's how real wealth is built in real estate. I've done it for over 25 years. So here's the kicker. If you got value from this video, don't just scroll away. Act. Subscribe now. Reach out to us. Like the video. Drop a comment. Share it with someone who's been waiting for the right time because this is the right time and I want you to share the secrets so they don't have to make the mistakes of the herds or of the news. We have the way that you can do it safely. That's what we're talking about. Reach out. And if you want help locking in that deal, optimizing the insurance, building that real estate portfolio that actually works, again, should I say it again? Reach out now. We're not just advisors. We're your partners. Total asset optimization team. I'm Jerry Katz. Let's build something real.